Hello, it's Ogle and Jolly from ojolly.net and craftingfashion.com. I'm going to show you how to make a nice stretchy hem on a sweater knit. First, I harvest a little thread from the sweater fabric. I thread both ends of the thread through the needle, leaving a loop on the other end. I'll stitch this with a contrasting yarn so you can see. I take a stitch and pull the needle through the loop to begin. Then I backstitch above the hem, then backstitch on the hem, then above the hem, and on the hem. Here it is with the matching yarn and the contrasting yarn. And here it is from the right side. Please note that very bulky sweater knits may require hem tape and regular sewing thread. And that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them below in the comments.